Hey Seth,
What?
what are we doing today?
Finding some more Easter eggs.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hi, adventurers!
We got Oma today.
Well, this is actually the bubble basket, and we're just using it just because.
You gotta look around because you've walked past some eggs here.
There's some in the tree. I don't know what it is. I think one is camouflage.
Oh no.
Wait, I feel one.
Oh, look at that.
A green egg in there. Wait, I think I see a yellow egg in there too.
Hey, you missed an egg.
Wait, what?
You missed one.
Where?
It's camouflaged. You're getting cooler. Cooler, cooler, cooler. You gotta really look. Look at the fountain. Look close at the fountain, because there might be a special egg in there. No. Keep looking at the fountain. Somewhere on the fountain. What color is that egg?
Gold.
Oh, it's the special golden egg. It's gotta be worth $1 million.
I missed it. I never saw this egg.
Hey, you missed some eggs.
What? Oh, maybe on top of the gold egg.
Okay, let's keep looking.
I know I'm just going to play on there for a little bit. Do not remember. I did not see this one. Wait,
Oh, go down the slide. You missed something. What is that?
a drink?
A drink.
I can't get it. What is this?
I don't know, it's some kind of fruit drink.
Say it.
It says Fruity King. Blueberry. Here, put this in your basket.
Wait. This is a special egg.
Let's see it. Do you know what it says?
Smarty.
It does. It says Smarties.
Hey, you have to play with me? All right.
Look, the adventurers are teeter-tottering with you.
Wait, I see an egg over there.
Oh, you better go get it.
Of course there's one in the fire. Wait,
Oh, I see one. Oh, I see another one.
I see two here.
Those stinky eggs.
What? This is a easy spot.
Okay, I think there's more across the bridge. There's more across the bridge. Let's look over that way, maybe.
Hey, wait, I see one egg. Oh, right here.
Oh, wait, I see one. I see one. Put it in the basket.
And then I think I'm just going to hold four.
Sophie! Here.
We gotta run!
I think that's the last egg. Look at Oma. You found a lot of eggs.
Yes. Yeah. This is so cool.
That is so cool. It's very golden. Hello, Mr. Golden Egg.
I'm gonna smash you.
Ah!
I'm sorry.
Look, you can see your reflection.
Yeah. Hey, adventurers, you can see our reflection. Look. And this is my friend, Chansey.
Chansey.
Hi, my name is Chansey.
You gotta open up all your eggs and dump it all in that baggie.
Before you. What'd you get?
A toy car.
Wait. Cool. Go, 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 little Hummer.
He took the shortcut.
Oh no. Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Uh-huh.
What's that?
A gummy bear.
A gummy bunny. Mmm.
And look what I got too.
What? A blue drink?
It's a blueberry drink.
It's a mini soda. That one hard to open?
Oh,
You got
he
it.
got it.
Smarties.
Smarties.
Little
I knew.
Smarties.
See, I knew I was going to do Smarties.
Ones that are open.
Oreos.
Mini
Here,
Oreos.
put them in here.
I just want to try one.
Oh, I think you should.
Taste one.
I have. It looks like you gave one to the adventurers.
Okay.
Whoa, goldfish.
Goldfish. What? Oh, track for your car.
Ooh.
That's cool.
I'm making Crash Cove.
Okay. Let's see.
Yay. Crash Cove is built.
Go, 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 little Hummer. Oh, he went off the track. Up the bridge, down the bridge, around. Oh, he's going that way.
Back up.
That's pretty cool. Did you have a good Easter?
Yeah. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you later.